Today we're going to show you how to remove these ugly old outlets to these new clean crisp ones. The first thing that you're going to do is please go to your breaker and turn off the power. My dad and I used a voltmeter to make sure that the power was completely off. Now I'm unscrewing the panel and looking at the wiring. So I'm unscrewing the wiring from the screws to the old outlet and replacing it with the new outlet. Basically, you just want to follow the hot wire, the ground wire, and the neutral wire wires, why can't I speak, and rewire it back up. When you do rewire these, make sure that you're wrapping the screw with the wires in a clockwise direction. It makes it easier when you're tightening it back up. And then also you might need a wire cutter in order to cut off the excess plastic around it. I'm going to show you again and its other one because there were two wires that I had to do, or two outlets that I had to do. So see how I had to cut off a bit of the wire to make sure that some of the wire, the actual metal wire, was exposed so that I could wrap it around the screw. Once that's done, you basically just screw back in. It's really simple. It was a lot easier than I thought it was going to be because, well, it was just like redoing a light fixture. And once that's all done, you can turn the power back on and you can use a voltmeter to double check to make sure that the power is actually working. See, the voltmeter shows that the power is back on. If you don't have a voltmeter, you can also just grab a small lamp or a radio and plug it in and turn it on to see if the light or sound works, like so. Ta-da! Easy fix. But notice how there's a jack for a phone line and it's all weird and painted over because the previous owner decided to paint over with blue paint. That's an easy fix also. Just unscrew it, prop it off, and then unplug it and put in a new cover that covers the whole thing, because who really uses a phone line? We usually just use our cell phone, right? And this one's the cable, it's the same thing. So you just take it off, shove it back in the hole, and then put a new faceplate over it. Ta-da! Done. I hope that was easy to follow. If you follow the wires and just match accordingly, it should be easy to go. Anyways, thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. And check out another video, or 2, or 3. I don't know, whatever you like. Thanks for watching. Bye!